Binder's tape, double-stitched. Double-stitched binder's tape is used to rebind hardcover books when the contents have become loose, or if the cover has come completely off. The tape is made of 2 strips of cloth tape joined down the middle by 2 rows of stitching. It's available in 3 widths: 6, 12 and 19 millimetres, measured between the rows of stitching. To repair a hardcover book, you need some double-stitched binder's tape, Permafix adhesive and a brush. You'll also need some of the backing paper left over from the self-adhesive plastic covering. Start by selecting the right binder's tape. The distance between the rows of stitching should match the width of the contents. Cut the tape to the same length as the contents of the book. Then spread Permafix adhesive on one side of the tape. Make sure the whole surface is covered with a thick layer of glue, particularly along the edges. Place the tape adhesive side down along the spine of the cover, with the stitching following the hinge lines. Then spread Permafix adhesive on the unglued side of the tape. Again, being sure to get an even layer across the entire surface. Insert the contents of the book between the 2 lines of stitching. Then close the book and carefully work the contents into the correct position. Always work vertically to keep the tape from moving. Once the contents are in place, reopen the book and insert the piece of self-adhesive backing paper as shown, folded in half with the silicone side out. This keeps the surface of the tape apart until the glue is dry. This process will result in strong new hinges.